Hello everybody, welcome to the series of UPSC PYQ Chronicles. And the topic of the day is National Parks, Biosphere Reserves and the Wildlife Sanctuaries. We will be discussing all the questions which have been appeared on this topic in one or the other examinations conducted by UPSC. It may be CDS, NDA, CAPF, Civil Service Examination, EPFO, Geoscientist, ED, CBI, etc. So let's get started. This is our first question. The question is about the sanctuaries and the states. We need to match those. The Sharavati Valley, which is located in Karnataka. Satkosi Gorge, this is located in Odisha. The Pirotan Island, this is located in Gujarat. And the Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary, this is located at Goa. So the option here becomes option C. Coming to next question. Arrange the following tiger reserves from India from north to south. So there are many questions of this kind where they are telling us to arrange either from north to south or south to north. So while reading, be aware of the locations of the sanctuaries or the tiger reserves, etc. When it comes to Indravati Tiger Reserve, it's in Chhattisgarh. And when it comes to Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, it's in UP. The Bandipur Tiger Reserve, it's in Karnataka. And the Simlipal Tiger Reserve, which is in Odisha. Even if you know the state, it would be easier for you to solve these kinds of questions. Now let us arrange this from north to south. So first it is UP, then comes Odisha, then comes Chhattisgarh, then comes Karnataka. So the answer here becomes option C. Coming to next question. Which of the following tiger reserve are not situated in the state of Rajasthan? So hence we need to identify which are not in Rajasthan. It is the Kaval and the Bhadra which are not part of Rajasthan, where the Kaval belongs to Telangana and the Bhadra belongs to Karnataka. But the Mukundara Hills and the Ramgarh Visdhara, these two are in Rajasthan. So the answer here becomes 3 and 4. Coming to next question, we need to identify the correct statements. The national parks are a special category of protected areas of a land and sea coast where people are integral part of the system. This is a wrong statement because people are not part of it. Sanctuaries are concerned with conservation of a particular species. Yes, this is a correct statement because sanctuaries are concerned with particular species. You have heard about the elephant sanctuary, the dolphin sanctuary. So the sanctuaries are concerned with a particular species. So this statement becomes correct. The biosphere reserves are connected with a habitat of a particular wildlife. No, this is wrong statement because biosphere will have many habitats in a single biosphere reserve. So the answer here becomes only 2 is correct. So the question says it's about the match the following, where we need to match either the park or the sanctuary with the respective states. So the Keoladeo National Park, this is in Rajasthan. So A becomes 4. Corbett National Parks, this is belongs to Uttaranchal. Kaziranga, this belongs to Assam. And the Periyar, this belongs to Kerala. So when we match this, the answer comes as D. Which of the following are in Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve? We need to identify which all belongs to Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. It is the Niyar, Peppar and the Seshandram Wildlife Sanctuary and the Kalakkad Munduturai Tiger Reserve. These all are part of Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. The question says which of the pair given above are correctly matched. Bluefin Mashir, yes, this belongs to Kaveri River. Irrawaddy dolphin, no, this does not belong to Chambal River. And Rusty Spotted Cat belongs to the Eastern Ghats. So the answer here becomes 1 and 3. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? It is the Dampa Tiger Reserve, which is located in Mizoram. Yes, this is absolutely right. The Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary, this is not in Sikkim, this is in Tripura. Saramati Peak, this is in Nagaland. So 1 and 3 are correct. So option C is correct. Consider the following pairs. Which of the above pairs are correctly matched? No Creek Biosphere Reserve, Garo Hills. Yes, this is absolutely right, which belongs to Meghalaya. And the Lotak Lake, this belongs to Manipur. No, this is wrong. And the Namdapa National Parks, this belongs to Mishmi Hills, not the Dafla Hills. So this is wrong, this is wrong. Only one is correct. Consider the following protected areas. So here are following protected areas. We need to identify which of the above are declared as tiger reserves. Yes, Bandipur, yes, this is a tiger reserve from Karnataka. Manas, this is also a tiger reserve from Assam. And the Sundarban, this is also a tiger reserve from West Bengal. But Bhitarkanika is a wildlife sanctuary from Odisha. So here the option becomes B, and 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Coming to next question, the protected areas and they are well known for. Which of the following given pair are correctly matched? Bhitarkanika, Odisha, this is saltwater crocodile. Yes, this is absolutely correct. Desert National Park of Rajasthan, Great Indian Bustard GIB, this is also correct. But the Erviculam National Park, it is not the whole Hell Gabon, but it is the Nilgiri Thar which is known for. Ernakulam National Park is known for Nilgiri Thar. And so hence option B, 1 and 2 becomes correct. Why is Nagpur promoted as a tiger capital of the world? Nagpur is a major storehouse of tigers as the district adjacent to Nagpur have many tiger reserves and sanctuaries. This is absolutely right. Nagpur has an infrastructure that can support a large tourist industry. No, this is not the reason for calling Nagpur as a tiger capital. Hence statement 1 becomes correct. Consider the following wildlife sanctuaries of India. What we need to do, which one of the following is a correct order of the wildlife sanctuaries in the terms of their location from south to north. So this is the second question which is of this kind, where we are asked to arrange the wildlife sanctuaries. Shikara Devi, it's in Himachal Pradesh. Bhadra, this is in Karnataka. Simlipal, this is in Odisha, and this Panchmahi is in MP. So if you know these states, it would be easier for you to arrange from south to north. So hence Karnataka comes first, later comes Odisha, then comes MP, then comes Himachal to the north. So the answer here becomes C. Match the following forest conservation type and place. It's the national park, the Bhitarkanika National Park, which is in Odisha. When it comes to sanctuary, the Chilika, it is a sanctuary from Odisha. And when it comes to biosphere reserve, No Creek is a biosphere reserve of Meghalaya. Tiger reserve Dudhwa is a tiger reserve from UP. So hence the answer here becomes option A. Consider the following sanctuaries of India. Which one of the following is a correct sequence of location of the above sanctuaries from south to north? Periyar Sanctuary, Kerala. Tachingam, Srinagar. Sariska, Rajasthan. Khana, MP. So when you arrange this accordingly from south to north, Kerala comes first at the south, then comes MP, then comes Rajasthan, then comes Srinagar at the top. So the answer here becomes option C. Which one of the following statement on biosphere reserve is not correct? In 1973, UNESCO launched a worldwide program on man and biosphere. This is absolutely correct. Biosphere reserve promotes research on ecological conservation. This is also correct. Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is located in Madhya Pradesh. No, this is wrong. This is located in Uttarakhand. Biosphere reserves are multi-purpose protected areas to protect the genetic diversity in ecosystem. This is also correct. So the answer here becomes option C. Consider the following statement. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park of India. Yes, this is absolutely right, which was established by Jim Corbett in 1936. It was one of the 9 tiger reserves created at the launch of the Project Tiger in 1973. This is also correct. Initially, it was named as Haley National Park. This is also correct. So hence option B has 1, 2 and 3. This becomes the correct answer for this question. So match the following tiger reserve and the state. Indravati, Chhattisgarh. Periyar, Kerala. Simlipal, Odisha. Bandipur, Karnataka. These are all the PYQs. Which one of the following statement with regards to biosphere reserve is correct? The idea of biosphere reserve was initiated by UNESCO in 1973-74. This is absolutely correct. There are 18 designated biosphere reserves in India. This is also correct. All the biosphere reserves in India have been included in World Network of Biosphere Reserve of UNESCO. This is wrong, because it is not all the biosphere reserve. It is the 12 biosphere reserve of the 18 which are being recognized as recognized by UNESCO. Hence, so the answer becomes 1 and 2. So the next question is on national parks and where they are located, and we need to identify the which are correctly matched. The Great Himalayan National Park, it's in Himachal Pradesh, this is right. Hemis High Altitude National Park in Jammu Kashmir, this is also correct. Valley of Flowers National Park in Uttarakhand, this is also correct. Hence all the statements are correct. Which of the following pair is are correctly matched? Select the correct answer using the code given below. It's the Namdappa National Park, which is in Arunachal Pradesh, not in Meghalaya. The Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, this is in Tamil Nadu and not Kerala. It's the Seshachalam Biosphere Reserve in Andhra Pradesh. This is correct. So only 3 is correct. Which one of the following are the most likely places to find the musk deer in its natural habitat? It is the Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary as well as the Gangotri National Park, where the musk deer is naturally found. Hence, option 1 and 2 is correct. Coming to next question, national parks and the river flowing through the park. We need to identify the correctly matched one. The Corbett National Park, it is not the Ganga but the Ram Ganga which flows through it. When it comes to Kaziranga National Parks, it is the Brahmaputra, not the Manas. When it comes to Silent Valley National Parks, it's the Kunti, not the Kaveri. Hence, none of the statements are correct. Match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer given the code below. Bird Sanctuary and the states. We need to match those. The Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, this is located in Haryana. And the Kulik, this is located in West Bengal. And Nawabganj, which is located in UP. And the Attiviri Bird Sanctuary, this is located in Karnataka. So the option here becomes option A. Arrange the following national parks of India from north to south. Again, arrangement question. The Indravati National Park in Chhattisgarh, Nagarwale, Karnataka, Corbett, Uttarakhand, Madhav National Park, MP. So let's arrange this from north to south. So Uttarakhand comes first, later comes Madhya Pradesh, then comes Chhattisgarh, then comes Karnataka. So in this order, the option C is correct. Match 1 and 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So they have given wildlife sanctuaries and state, we need to match those. It's the Mahanadi Wildlife Sanctuary, which is located in West Bengal. Lakahari Valley, this is located in Odisha. The Panchamahi, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. Chandraprabha, this is located in Uttar Pradesh. These are also all the from PYQs. So the next question is also match the following, where we need to match the biosphere reserve and the respective states. Nilgiri, it's in Tamil Nadu. When it comes to Manas, this is Assam. Panchamahi, this is Madhya Pradesh. Simlipal, Odisha. So the correct option here becomes option C. This is also match the following question, where we need to match the national parks as well as the important protected species. In the Kaziranga National Park, it is the one-horned rhinoceros which are being protected. When it comes to the Chingam Wildlife Sanctuary, it is the Angul which is been protected there. In Jim Corbett, it is the tiger which are being protected. When it comes to Madumalai, it is the elephants which are being protected. Hence the correct sequence becomes option A. With reference to India's Desert National Park, which of the following statements are correct? The Desert National Parks in Rajasthan, it is spread over 2 districts. Yes, this is absolutely correct. That is Jaisalmer and Parmer. And there is no human habitation inside the park. This is wrong. There is human habitation. It is one of the natural habitat of the Great Indian Bustard. This is also correct. And hence the answer here becomes 1 and 3. Consider the following statements. The boundaries of the national parks are being defined by legislation. This is correct. The biosphere reserve is declared to conserve a few species of flora and fauna. No, this is not the case. Biosphere has been declared to conserve all the species which are being located there. In a wildlife sanctuary, limited biotic interference is permitted. This is also correct. And statement 1 and 3 are correct. Here we need to identify the locations through the map. When it comes to Manas, this is located in Assam, that is 4. When it comes to Panchamahi, this is in MP, so it becomes option 1. And the Nokrik, which is in Meghalaya, it becomes 3. And Achanak Amarkantak, this is in Chhattisgarh, and this is 2. Hence the option here becomes 4, 1, 3, 2. This is option C. Arrange the following national parks of India on the basis of their location, beginning from north to south. The Indravati, Chhattisgarh, Bandhavgarh, MP, Bandipur, Karnataka, Khana, MP. They are asking from north to south. So MP comes first, later comes this Khana National Park from MP, then comes Indravati, then comes Karnataka. Option C. So the next question is also a map based question where we need to locate this through map. It is a Corbett which is located in Uttarakhand. When it comes to Niyara Valley, West Bengal, this becomes 3. The Betla, Jharkhand, this becomes 1. When it comes to Khana, which is in MP, this becomes 2. The answer here becomes D. Arrange the following tiger reserves of India from north to south. So Dudhwa, which is in UP, Panna, it is in MP, Pench in MP, Indravati and Chhattisgarh. So the arrangement from north to south is like Dudhwa comes at the north, later comes Panna, later comes Pench and Indravati. This is the order of the tiger reserve from north to south. The answer here becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. With reference to Bindawara Wildlife Sanctuary, Sultanpur National Park, Thol Lake Wildlife Sanctuary, and the Wadwana Wetland, which of the following statements are correct? All of them are Ramsar sites. All of the are the Ramsar sites. All of them are naturally found wetlands. No, this is wrong statement because like the Bidwana, this is human made. All of them are birding sites. This is also correct. So answer here is 1 and 3 are correct. Which of the following is not a site for in situ? So we need to find out which is not in situ. Biosphere reserve, this is in situ. National park, this is in situ. Wildlife sanctuary, this is also in situ. But the botanical garden is ex situ. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? We need to match national parks. Why it is famous for? The Ranthambore, it is famous for tigers. The Periyar, which is famous for elephants. Manas, which is famous for tigers, but they have given lion. Gir is famous for lions and not rhinoceros. So answer here becomes 1 and 2. The next question states that it's about match the following, matching the national park and wildlife sanctuary with the respective states. It's the Chandraprabha, which is located in Uttar Pradesh, Silent Valley, which is in Kerala, Valley of Flowers, it's in Uttarakhand, Indravati, which is in Chhattisgarh. So the answer here becomes option B. Which of the following statement regarding the faunal resources of India is correct? High degree of endemism has been noticed in the biodiversity hotspots of India. Yes, this is correct. Of the total biosphere reserves in India, the Sundarbans has the largest number of species and the Nokrik has the smallest number of species. This is also correct. Hence, option 1 and 2 are correct. Coming to next question, consider the following statement. Animal Welfare Board of India is established under the Environmental Protection Act of 1986. No, this is wrong because it was established in 1962 under the Prevention of Cruelty of Animals Act 1960. National Tiger Conservation Authority is a statutory body. This is correct. The National Ganga River Basin Authority is chaired by Prime Minister. This is also correct. So 2 and 3 becomes correct. Match the wildlife sanctuaries and the states. The Bhitarkanika, it's in Odisha. The Panchamahi, which is in Madhya Pradesh. The Sharavati in Karnataka. And the Panchamaram, which is in Andhra Pradesh. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. The Buxa Tiger Reserve, this is in West Bengal. Periyar, it's in Kerala. Sariska, this is in Rajasthan. Wildlife Sanctuary, this is in Gujarat. Coming to next question, we need to match the wildlife sanctuaries with the states. It's the Mahananda, which is in West Bengal. The Malabar, it's in Kerala. Satyamangalam, it's in Tamil Nadu. Lakahari, this is in Odisha. So the answer here becomes option C. Which one of the following is the first biosphere reserve of India? It's the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which is the first biosphere reserve of India. Which one of the following is not a biosphere reserve of India? Agastya Malai, which is in Western Ghats, this is a biosphere reserve. Nokrik of Meghalaya, this is also biosphere reserve. Greater Nicobar in Andaman Nicobar, this is also a biosphere reserve. But a Greater Himalaya, this is not a biosphere reserve. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of the given tiger reserve of India from north to south? Again, they are asking from north to south. Dudhwa, which is in UP, Khana, which is in MP, Indravati, Chhattisgarh, Bandipur, Karnataka. In which of the following national parks of India is there a proposal to introduce the cheetah from Africa? It's the Kuno National Park of MB, which is being proposed for this. Which one of the following protected area is well known for the conservation of subspecies of an Indian swamp deer, Bharasingha, that thrives well on hard ground and exclusively gramivorous? This is the Khana National Park, which is this. Among the following tiger reserve, which one has the largest area under critical tiger habitat? This is the Nagarjun Sagar, Srisailam. This has the highest area under critical tiger habitat. Which one of the following national park lies completely in the temperate alpine zone? That is the Valley of National Parks from Uttarakhand, which completely belongs to the temperate alpine zone. The most important strategy for conservation of biodiversity together with the traditional human life is established through Biosphere Reserve. In which one of the following categories of the protected areas in India are local people not allowed to collect and use the biomass? It's in the national park where human activities are being restricted. On the occasion of Wildlife Environment Day 2021, which one of the following was declared as a national park in India? This was in 2021, where Raimona, which was declared as a national park in India. All these belongs to Assam. Which set of following biosphere reserves in India is included in World Network of Biosphere Reserve? It's the Gulf of Mannar, Nokri, Panjamai and Simlipal, which belongs to the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? The Ramnagar Wildlife Sanctuary, this is not in Uttarakhand, it's in Jammu. And all the other options are being matched correctly. In which of the following state is Pakoi Wildlife Sanctuary located? It's in Arunachal Pradesh. Which one of the following does not pass through Kaziranga National Park? Brahmaputra River, this passes. The Diplo River, this also passes. The National Highway number 37, this also passes. It's not the Indian railway track which passes through there. Which one of the following is the highest altitude zoo in the world? It's the Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, which is in West Bengal. It is the highest altitude zoo in the world. Kanha National Parks belongs to which one of the following biogeographical areas in the world? It belongs to the tropical subhumid forest. Consider the following: Keoladu Ghana National Park, Madumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Sultanpur National Park. They are asking which of the above are wetland. It's the only Keoladu and the Sultanpur which are the wetlands. Which one of the following was recently considered to be the suitable site for introduction of the African cheetahs in India? It's the Kuno National Park. Which one of the following bird sanctuaries is situated on the bank of the river Kaveri in Karnataka? It's the Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary. Which of the following national park is unique in being swamp and the floating vegetation that supports a rich biodiversity? It's the Kaibul Lamchok National Park. Which one of the following tiger reserves of India has Bharasingha? The Bharasingha as the official mascot. It's the Khana Tiger Reserve. The Nokrik Biosphere Reserve, which is located in Meghalaya. In the year 2020, which one of the following tiger reserves of India was being declared as UNESCO site? It's the Panna Tiger Reserve. Which one of the following is the first national park established in India? It's the Jim Corbett. Kaibul Lamcho National Park is located in which of the following wetlands? It's the Lotak Lake of Manipur. Recently, there was a proposal to translocate some of the lions from their natural habitat in Gujarat to which one of the following sites? It's the Kuno Wildlife Sanctuary. Which one of the following national parks has climate that varies from tropical to the subtropical, temperate and arctic? It's the Namdappa National Park of Arunachal Pradesh, where we can see a varied climate. Cheetahs brought from Namibia were introduced in India to which one of the following national parks? It's the Kuno National Park. Which one of the following biosphere reserve comprises island with estuaries, beaches, coral reefs, salt marshes and the mangroves? It's the Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. Which one of the following is spread over 3 states? It's the National Champal Sanctuary, which is spread over 3 states. Those 3 states are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. Which one of the following national parks has become the first national park in India to be equipped with satellite phones? It's the Kaziranga National Park, which is in Assam, which has been equipped with the satellite phones. Match the following, where we need to match the wildlife sanctuaries and the states. Mahananda, which is in West Bengal, the Malabar, which is in Kerala, Satyamangalam, which is in Tamil Nadu, Lakar Valley, which is in Odisha. Out of all the biosphere reserves in India, 4 have been recognized on the World Network by UNESCO. Which one of the following is not one of them? It's the Kaziranga, which has been not recognized by UNESCO, whereas Gulf of Mannar, Nanda Devi, and Sundarbans are being recognized by UNESCO. In which among the following states is the Dihang Dibang Biosphere Reserve located? It's in Arunachal Pradesh. Which one of the following is the largest tiger reserve of India in terms of the area of the core critical tiger habitats? It's again a PYQ, Nagarjuna Sagar, Seychelles. Which one of the following about Kijadia Bird Sanctuary is correct? It was recently declared as a Ramsar site wetland of international importance. This is correct. This is located in UP. This is wrong. Hence the option 1 becomes correct. Which one of the following is correct? It's the Run of Kutch is a wild ass sanctuary. Yes, this is correct. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Khana National Park, Madhya Pradesh, correct. Sultanpur, Haryana, correct. Bandipur, Karnataka, correct. But the Ranthambore National Park, no, it's in Rajasthan. Which among the following has been declared as India's first other effective area-based conservation measure? It's the Aravali Biodiversity Park, Haryana, which has been declared. With reference to Sishachalam Biosphere Reserve, which among the following statements is correct? It is located in Eastern Ghats. This is correct. It is a unique tropical rainforest. No, this is wrong. Hence, statement 1 becomes correct. Consider the following pairs: national parks and the region. Bandhavgarh National Park, it's in MP, northwestern India. The Bandipur Tiger Reserve, it's in southern India. The Manas National Park, it's in northeast India. Hence, 2 and 3 are correct. Which one of the following pairs are correctly matched? Lotak National Park, this is in Manipur. This is correct. The Namdappa National Park, this is in Arunachal Pradesh, not Meghalaya. Valley of Flowers National Park, this is in Uttarakhand, not Sikkim. Hence, the statement 1 becomes correct. Which one of the following statement is not correct about biosphere reserves? They are protected areas meant for conservation of biodiversity. This is correct. Each biosphere reserve has 3 zones. This is also correct. There are networks of biosphere reserves all over the world. This is also correct. They were first started by IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. No, this is wrong. Which among the following is the correct order of the tiger reserve situated from north to south? Corbett, Uttarakhand; Sariska, Rajasthan; Simlipal, Odisha; Periyar, Kerala. This is the order from north to south of the arrangement of these tiger reserves. Which among the following protected areas are located in Kaveri Basin? The Nagarhole National Park, yes, this is located in Kaveri Basin. The Papikonda National Park, this is not located in Kaveri Basin, but it's located in the Godavari Basin. The Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, this is also located in Kaveri Basin. Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, this is also from Kaveri Basin. Hence, 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Gir National Park is famous for lions. Where is the Asan Conservation Reserve located? It's in Uttarakhand. Which one of the following biosphere reserves is spread over 3 states in the India? It's the Nilgiri, which is spread in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The term M stripes is sometimes seen in news in the context of maintenance of tiger reserves. The Manas National Park is situated in the state of Assam. Which one of the following is not a site for in situ method of conservation of the flora? Biosphere reserve, this is in situ. National Park, in situ. Wildlife Sanctuary, in situ. Botanical Garden, this is ex situ. Which one of the following is not an in situ conservation? Same question. The botanical gardens are ex situ. Which one of the following is not a World Heritage Site? Kaziranga National Park, this is a World Heritage Site. Sundarban, this is also World Heritage Site. Keoladha, this is also World Heritage Site. But the Kanchenjunga, this is not a World Heritage Site. Guru Ghasidas National Park is situated in Chhattisgarh. With this, we complete all the questions from national parks, biosphere reserves, and the wildlife sanctuaries. Thank you.